Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete flashcards on Quizlet. So I'll do this one right here, which I had created. Okay, and all you need to do, you can either, of course, delete the whole flashcard set. You just come click on these three dots and then click on delete. The other way, if you want to delete specific flashcards, just scroll down here and find the terms in our set. All you need to do is come down here, click on add or remove items. Okay, now let me scroll down here. You will see this icon. This is the delete icon, the trash icon. So if I click on this, this would essentially delete this card. So let me go ahead and show you. So I'll click on that right there and that card is gone. Make sure you click on done to save your changes. As you can see, my changes are being saved. And now I should only be left with 2 flashcards in this set. There you go. Really that easy and simple.